In this video, we'll be checking out the Galaxy S10 Plus. But first, intro. What is up, geeks? You're watching Davao Geek Hub, and this is the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, huge shout out to Telcom for lending us this unit to review, so let's open it up. So this is the box of the S10 Plus. We have the S10 Plus label at the top. At the side, we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus labeling as well. And on this side, we have the IMEI numbers and serial codes. And looks like we have the prism green color. At the bottom, we have a quick specs. We have the 128 gig variant, so let's open up the box. Inside, we find the S10 Plus itself. Let's check it out later. First is the charging brick or the power brick. It has fast charging up to 2 amps. It looks like we also have a USB Type-C OTG adapter, so that means we'll have a Type-C cable, which we have right here. And lastly, we have an included AKG headphones, which is braided. That's a plus. I couldn't find the paperwork, but it looks like it was underneath the lid the whole time, which is a small box. We'll find the SIM ejector tool on the box. Then inside, we have a clear rubber case and the quick start guide and warranty card. Now let's check out the phone. The Galaxy S10 Plus has a huge 6.3-inch screen. We find the in-ear speakers right about here, up here, and of course the 2 punch hole cameras. At the back, we find the triple rear camera setup. We have the zoom, the wide and the ultra wide, and of course a LED flash and the sensors. We also have a Samsung branding in the middle of the phone. At the bottom, we have the audio jack. That's good to see. A USB Type-C port, the microphone, and the speakers. At the top, we find the noise cancelling microphone and the SIM slot. On the right side is the power button, which is way up here, and on the other side is the volume rocker and the Bixby button. The S10 Plus is really a beautiful phone, and with the curved edges, it's really comfortable to hold in the hand. However, I really don't like the power button that's way up here. As you probably know by now, it has a in-screen fingerprint scanner, so we'll check that out on our review on davaogeekhub.com. And I also read that it has a face unlock, so we'll also check that out. On the screen, you'll find the full specifications of the Galaxy S10 Plus. You can read my full review of this Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus when it becomes live. Probably put the link up here or here and at the description box below. So check it out on davaogeekhub.com. This has been Joseph of davaogeekhub.com. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Where's the subscribe button? Right here? Right here. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!